guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, ngayon, since maraming request, ito, especially si Dindin, ang dami niyang request na makeup tutorial, and nagtanong ako sa inyo sa Instagram story if I'm gonna make a makeup tutorial, and most of you guys said yes, so let's do it. Gagawa tayo ng makeup tutorial, a full face makeup tutorial. So yeah, let's start. Okay, let's start. So, not gonna be using sunscreen since hindi naman ako lalabas. Pero if lalabas ka, always use sunscreen, guys. Any sunscreen will work. So first off, for my primer, I'm gonna be using Too Faced Hangover. This primer is really light, matte finish. I love it. Hindi mo mararamdaman na may additional layer ka ng something sa face mo. That's why I like it. And then next, for my foundation, I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty in a shade 360. So memory gave it to me, so I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna be using 1.5 Balm for this. Sobrang blendable niya, so hindi mo kailangan gamit ang maraming foundation, which is good kasi maliit yung chance na mag-cake ka. So just blend everything with your blending sponge. So di siya full coverage, pero okay lang kasi I don't need full coverage naman. So for my concealer, I'm gonna be using NARS in a shade Creme Brûlée. And I'm not perfect, so I have blemishes. Like may pimple, ako isa, then sa beard area, and I have moles. And then just blend everything dahil mukha kang may red spot sa mukha mo. So, okay, for my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using Goof Pro by Benefit. This is a really good one. It comes with a set, and it's really easy to use kasi pencil na siya, and it's really blendable too. It's really pigmented too. So, konti lang gamitin mo, you're all good. So, put a line on top and on the bottom, and then little shades, konting strokes sa may inner. And then, use a spoolie to blend everything. Blend well. That's the important thing with your eyebrows too. So, to cover up all the mistakes with your eyebrows, I'm using Eyebrow. It's a creamy concealer, highlight concealer for your eyebrows. So, just remove the mistakes para man maging perfect yung finish niya. And then, use any brush to blend it. So, I'm gonna be using a flat one kasi since I want the straight line, gagamit tayo ng flat one para konting strokes lang gamitin natin. And yun, nakalimutan ko maglagay ng contact lens, so good suffer. Then to set everything, I have the 24 hours setting gel. It's a clear one, so hindi mo na kailangan mag-problem about sa color kasi it's a clear. It'll set everything. Okay, for my eyes, I'm gonna be using Too Faced Sweet Peach, and I'm gonna be using a floppy brush for my eyes. Okay, I'll be combining Georgia and White Peach as a base, so it's gonna be a white pinkish base for my eyes. This thing smells so good, actually. Yeah, there you go. Just put everything in it, and then I'm gonna be using Puree and Summer Yum first. So just using a tapping motion, just put it from the outer to inner lid of your eyes, and then after, just like blend it with your floppy brush too. Then I'm using a brush with a tip, I don't know. And I'm gonna be using Charmed, I'm sure. And then, parang yung sa may lids mo, yung sa may parang core, isusundan mo yung pinaka-eyes mo para sundan siya. And I'm gonna be using Just Peachy sa inner lid ko. So I have some color pop in there, like a pinkish pop in there. Okay, and then I'm gonna be using Tempting to make everything dramatic. Still same brush, same thing, use the inner core to put depth in your eyes, and then just blend it with the fluffy brush. So bali technique dyan, blend ka lang ng blend hanggang pa-in ka ng pa-in. So, from outer blend, then center blend, and then inner blend. And then I'm using a flat brush. I'm gonna be using a loose shoes. So, it's gonna be a shimmer gold one. Just to make a little more dramatic than ulit. So, just put everything in and then try to blend it with all of your eye makeup. And then extend it from inner and then sa may labas, outer. And then use the same colors you use with your lids para sa lower waterline. So it's all like the same colors for you. So use any eyeliner. This one I got it from Wish, but it's a really good one. So use any eyeliner and just make a wing eyeliner. Just go with it. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah. Yes. Then curl your eyelashes. Of course. Don't forget to curl your eyelashes. And then use your favorite fake lashes. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using Roller Lash by Benefit. This is a good roller lash. So just put it on top. And of course, don't forget your lower. Dahil importante din yun. Of course. Para mukha kang may lashes sa lower. And then I'm using Kiko Milano. It's a silver eyeliner. So baba mo lang yung lower water lash line mo. And then, this is my secret for making my eyes pop more. Okay, my eyes are done. So we're almost halfway. Okay, I'm gonna be using my concealer again, NARS shade Creme Brûlée. So put it like under your eyes to cover your bags, to the tip of your nose, to the bridge, and then sa chin. Then blend everything until magmukha ka ng white lady. Yes, let's blend lang. And then I'm using Kat Von D translucent powder. And just use any sponge you want. Just to put everything to your face. Put on, like, lagay mo siya sa kung saan mo siya gusto mag-highlight. And then, see? Then I'm using Hoola to bronze my face, actually. So, put it under the cheekbones, sa forehead, and then sa jawline. Para mukhang maliit ang mukha mo. Then for my nose, I'm gonna be using brush na may tip and then use a little Hoola. So, para my technique is to look away sa may far mirror para makita mo kung ano magiging itsura niya from the far na hindi siya masyadong makapal. Para maging tama lang yung para pantay yung sa nose line. Doon mo siya mas mapapantay. So, I'm done with baking, okay? So, let's remove all the excess powder. And then I'm gonna be using Balm Spring by the Balm. So, using a fluffy brush. So, use a small amount of blush. And then from your hairline going down to your cheekbone, use a tapping motion. And then just brush it off to blend your blush to your face. That's my technique, actually. Ganun ko siya gawin. Para pantay and hindi siya ganun sa mukha. Gets? I'm using Marilube Manizer as a highlighter. I'm like, yes! Or bam! Don't forget your nose, your bridge, sa ilalim ng eyebrows, sa ibabaw ng eyebrows, and of course, your cupid bow. Yes. Bam! Yes! That will cut you. I'm so happy. Bam, bam, bam. For my lips, I'm gonna be using ColourPop shade Love Bug. And there you have it. I'm finished. And can you guess kung gaano kadaming pictures ang nagawa ko dito? But anyway, enjoy!